question. Now, what is the question? The question itself, I told you, is a binary operation question, and we want to look at how we are going to solve it. Now, the question is, if a binary operation star is defined by x asterisk y equal to x plus 2y, you are asked to find 2 asterisk bracket 3 asterisk 4. Now, this is one of those questions you'll be given in your WAEC, in your JAMB examination, and you'll be required to spend not less than 1 minute 30 seconds in this question, at most 2 minutes. Remember, I told you earlier on that when you are doing calculatory question, don't spend more than 2 minutes on that question, so that you have enough time to take care of other questions. Remember, you'll be given 180 questions before the computer or the system will log you off. Now, let's look at how we can go about the solutions to this question. Since we are given this equation, that x asterisk y operation, x operation y is equal to x plus what? 2y. All we need to do first of all, since we are asked to look for 2 operation bracket 3 operation 4, we need to operate the 3 and 4 first before we now go about operating the 2 with the result of 3 and 4. Now let's go out see how to solve that. Let's look at 3 operation 4, which is in brackets. Now, if we take that question, we are going to see that 3 operation x, 3 operation 4, just like 3 will be x and y will be equal to 4. If you put that into this equation, it will give you 3 plus what? 2y. So 3 operation 4 will be equal to 3 operation 4 will now be equal to 3 plus what? 2 into bracket 4. Now, if we evaluate this further, we are going to have 3 plus what? 8, and that will be equal to what? That will be equal to 11. So you see now that 3 as operation 4 is equal to 11. Now this time around we want to go, since we've gotten this 3 operation 4 to give you 11, we're now going to bring that into that equation. And if we bring that into that equation, we are now going to have 2 operation 11 equal to what? X plus what? Plus 2y. Now in this situation, we want to say x is equal to 2 and then y is equal to 11. Now let's slot that into this above equation. If we slot that in thoroughly into this above equation, we are going to arrive at 2 asterisk 11 equal to, remember x is 2, so we have our 2 plus 2 brackets, our y is taken as 11. Now that will give you the value of 2 plus 2 times 11 will give you 22. Now 2 asterisk 11 will now be equal to 2 plus 22. That will give us what? 24. So finally, our solution will now be equal to 2 asterisk 3 asterisk 4. The solution to this binary operation given to you will be equal to what? 24. Remember, 1 minute 30 seconds to these questions, or utmostly 2 minutes. You're going to get this solution, and if you do it very well, you're going to see the options in the various you are going to see these answers in the options that are given to you. Now this is a similar question, and it's more like a simple question on binary operation. It is a question once you see, you just give a tick and you move ahead to the next question so that you have enough time to take care of harder questions and you can be able to go through all the questions before your system will clock it out. Now, if you followed me very well the way I solved this question, I want you to try this one. Try this question and I want to see your results. Drop the results in the comment section of this video. Remember, this video, not the other one, so that I can be able to see your comments and will be able to give a reply to your comment. Now look at this question. The question says a binary operation with this symbol is with this symbol on. Now let me clean this off. Now a binary operation with this symbol on real numbers is defined by this. Is defined by x with this symbol y equal to xy plus x plus what? Y. They now say for real numbers x and what? And y. So the question is, find the value of 3 operation minus 2 over 3. Now this is the question you are given and that is what you're asked to look for. So I want you to take your time, go through this question, get the solution and make sure you drop the solution in the comment section. Then if you are wrong, we'll be able to correct you and then we can interact and discuss in our community forum. Remember, check the link in the description section of this video and you will be able to see a link to a community where we can discuss mathematics before your exams. It's so great to show you how to solve this and look forward to seeing the next solution, the next question dropped today, which you'll be seeing the solution tomorrow. I remain Andy and I said, if you have not informed your friend about our video, go tell your friends because we want them to also enjoy what you are seeing and learn from these past questions we'll be dealing out to you for the next 64 days. Make sure you hit the subscription button, make sure you hit the notification button so that you get subsequent chunks of our video as they are being published in the media. We remain yours, New Track Mathematics channel, and we will continue to give you the best in mathematics. Happy preparation, wish you the very best in your forthcoming exam. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.